So sir, as per your horoscope, the remedies that are good for you is the remedy of planet Venus, planet Saturn and planet Mercury. You only need to do remedies only of these three planets. Rest all the other planets are doing fine. Venus is a negative planet as per your horoscope, so you have to do the remedy to get relief from the negative energies of planet Venus. The remedies for getting relief from the negative energies of planet Venus are, first of all, you can do some donation on Friday. Friday is the day for planet Venus, so whatever remedies we do for Venus, we should do it on a Friday. You can also, if you can, keep a fast on Friday and do mantra chanting of Durga Saptashati. Ma Durga ji is a very, very strong mantra, is Durga Saptashati. It's a very strong mantra for Ma Durga, and Durga ji is the deity which is controlling planet Venus. So either we can do the remedies of doing donation on Friday, or we can do the mantra chanting of planet Venus, the Shukra mantras, Vedic mantras, or we can also pray to Ma Durga, which will also help you relief to get relief from the negative energies of planet Venus. This is the first remedy you should do. Second remedy you should do is you have to strengthen the planet Saturn and planet Mercury in your life. Mercury is the planet which is the planet for communication skills, for nervous system, for business, and for getting good strength to express your ideas. It makes you very, very good convincer if your Mercury becomes strong. So if you wear a good quality emerald, good quality I mean it should be proper green in color, dark green in color. It should have some transparency in it. Mostly the emeralds that are being sold in the market, people are not guiding the people who are buying the emeralds for healing purpose. Generally sellers are not guiding this thing to the buyers, is that only those kind of emeralds help us get the healing energies. The emeralds which have little bit of transparency in it. Mostly the emeralds which are being sold are opaque emeralds, and the color is also very dull and very lightish green, or very blackish or bluish green color kind of emeralds are being sold in the market, because those emeralds come in very cheap price and the seller is able to make good profit on cheap price gems. But we should be careful that we are buying these gemstones not for price purpose. We are buying these gemstones for healing purpose. So an emerald has to filter and transfer the green cosmic rays of planet Mercury through it into our body. So only that kind of emerald is able to absorb, filter and transfer the proper green cosmic rays into our body. Only that emerald, which is a green emerald, which is the emerald which has good transparency, and it should be non-treated. Kindly be aware of the emeralds which are being sold in the market which are green colored with chemically enhanced. Those kind of emeralds will give us harmful results. So it is our practice to guide all our customers and everybody the right quality and the right way how to do these remedies. Remedies everybody is telling in the market nowadays. Many astrologers are giving you remedies, but unless we know the right authentic scientific ways of those remedies, it's no use doing those remedies. If you will not do the mantra chanting with proper pronunciation, if you will not wear proper Vedic quality gemstones, they will not give us results. So kindly try to buy an emerald which has good transparency, good green color, properly energized and purified as per the Vedic rituals, and it should be non-treated. Secondly, the gemstone for you is the blue sapphire gemstone. It is the gemstone for planet Saturn. Saturn is a planet which is the responsible for our career, for our health, and also for our relationships. Saturn is a very, very strong planet. If you need to strengthen Saturn in your life, you should definitely wear a good quality blue sapphire, and you should strengthen Saturn in your life. It will give you overall benefit in your life in all the aspects. Saturn is a very strong planet. So kindly wear a pure sky blue or a peacock neck blue, pure blue color, blue sapphire, but it should be not heated or treated. It should be 100% natural, and it again should have a good transparency level, and it should not have any impurities in it, any negative inclusions in it. It should be a proper Vedic quality blue sapphire. We will share some very good videos with you on this live session. The videos which we have specially made to guide our customers and everybody the right authentic characteristics of proper Vedic quality gemstones. So we'll share a video of a blue sapphire with you, of an emerald with you, and we'll also share video on Vedic yagyas also. If you want to get a very strong remedy of planet Venus in your life done, you can also get a Vedic Shukra Shanti part and yagya for yourself. So all these remedies will give you very much benefit in your lives. So do perform these remedies in your life.